Hamjambo mabibi na mabwana. Hello ladies and gentlemen. Thank you all for joining us today. For those that don't know me, I'm the Managing Director for Eezy Group. We do valuations, we do tracking, we do vehicle auctions, we do storage for all the leasing and insurance companies within Kenya. Okay, we've been in operation since 2019. More recently, we've also expanded to Uganda, to Tanzania, and also to Zambia. Today we're here as part of our corporate social responsibility to support the government in achieving one of their environmental goals. Kenya's forest coverage has decreased from 18% in the early 1960s to only 7% today, okay, due to population growth, expansion of crops, and felling of trees for charcoal. In an effort to reduce greenhouse emissions, to reverse deforestation, and prevent soil erosion, as well as to stop the recurring drought that we keep experiencing in Kenya here, the government wants to increase the forestation coverage back to 30%, okay? And their plan is to plant 15 billion trees over the next 10 years. So this is our part, or our contribution to that today. We're only doing 200 at the moment, but we are going to do more. Eezy Group is excited to have partnered today with Kenya Forest Service and Ngong Road Forest Association in supporting the government initiative and helping them reach their target by 2032. Thank you very much for having us. Thank you for the work you've done here already. And we enjoy our planting experience today and the knowledge we'll gain from it. Our sustainability strategy has a clear focus on to fight against climate change by reducing emissions and supporting climate adaptation projects. And we'll continue to work with other partners to achieve these goals in the future. We'd like to thank everybody involved for their contribution and for all those who have helped organize this, especially Emily today. Thank you very much indeed. Enjoy the afternoon, and let's hope that our part in this project is well documented today, and that it takes us forward into the next project that we hope to do as well. Thank you all for coming, for your help and support, and asante sana.